What's up guys, Wes here with Rocky Mountain, and today we are talking all about the CRF110. Now, we're talking about the chain guide for this bike, but real quick, I just wanted to give you my thoughts on upgrades that you should do to this bike before you do anything else. So the first one that I want to touch on is the skid plate. You guys know that the drain plug hangs down way low on this bike, and it's the first thing you're gonna hit if you get into any rocks or anything. So just don't take any chances, put a skid plate on it and get some insurance for that. You're gonna have a bad day if you break that case or crack it. It's gonna be expensive. So the next thing that I did to this bike was the shift shaft brace. So before I got the bike, I researched it a bit and learned that a lot of people were bending their shift shaft because of how far it hangs out here. So the stock lever is not foldable. So obviously that's a pretty good and cheap, easy upgrade that you can do. But I also have that Pro Circuit shift shaft brace back in there, and that's just gonna prevent it from being bent if I go down or lay the bike over. And so that brings us to the chain guide. That's the third thing that I would probably do to these bikes. And this is just another one of those protection items. So stock, it's got a little plastic guard back here, but it's not gonna keep your chain from coming off the chain wheel and potentially going through your case. When a chain derails, it can get wrapped up in here and crack or break your engine case. And it's the same idea. You just are gonna have a bad day if that happens. So that's where a chain guide comes in. This actually guides the chain and keeps it running straight on your sprockets. If you're dragging peg or sprocket in ruts when you're railing these things or banging bars, this is just gonna be some extra insurance for you to not derail the chain. So let's talk about what I've got today. These are the Tusk chain guides, and these are the best thing you're gonna get out there. They're affordable, they're way cheaper than other options out on the market right now, and their build quality is top notch. So obviously I've got two colorways here. You got black or red. The outside plates are billet aluminum. The inside is HDPE plastic, so hard plastic that's gonna wear for a long time. The install's super easy. It's just two bolts. You remove your stock plate, bolt this up. It's got different bolt diameters to fit all the different bikes. And speaking of applications, this thing has a wide bike list that it fits. So you're gonna be able to fit all years of the CRF110, and it also fits the CRF50 04 to current, and it also fits those early XR50s, 2000 to 2003. So that's basically it, guys. Get your 110 protected so you can get out there and rip it. If you need chains, guides, heavy duty springs, really anything that you need to upgrade your pit bike or CRF110, check it out on our website, and we'll see you guys on the pitter track.